Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace one of the Broil element supports in this Frigidaire Induction range, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and remove the top oven rack, if necessary, to access the Broil element. If still intact, twist and pull to detach one of the ends of the old Broil element support to remove the part from the oven's top panel. To install the new Broil element support, align it under the element and insert the ends into the holes in the top panel. Replace the oven rack if necessary. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.